Hello friends, welcome to IBPS guide. So today is day 43. We are going to take problems on trains, moderate and hard level. 10 questions we are going to take together. So let us go through the first question, and before let us tell more, that is please, and our mission is SBI PO 2019, and please watch day 1 and day 2 video, because in these two videos we have talked about the tips of multiplication, finding square root and all other which you are going to use in our problem. And also go through the video of day 40 and 41, because in this two video we have given you the concept of speed time of distance. This is a sub part of speed time of distance, and also we have talked about relative speed in these videos. So make sure that you go through all these videos before coming to this session. So what is the first question is, train A of length 180 meter crosses another train B traveling in opposite directions in 15 seconds. Train A crosses a pole in 20 seconds and the length of train A is half of the length of the train B, and find the speed of train B. What it is given, A and B, what length they have given you, 180, and also it is given you that A is half of the length of B, so length of B will be how much, 360. Again, then find the speed. Again, train A crosses a pole in 20 seconds, so speed is, distance is, length is how much, 180 by 20, so value would be 9. So speed of train A would be 9 meter per second. Now what they are asking you, then find the speed of train B. They crosses each other in 15 seconds, so total how much they have to cross, addition of this two, that is 36 plus 18 would be, plus 8 would be 44, 54, that is 540 total they have to cover. Speed is how much, one train speed is this, they are traveling in opposite direction, so addition, let us assume that the required value is x into the time, that is 15 seconds. Now again let us solve this. It will go by how much, will it go by 5? Sum of these two is 9, so it will go by 5, that is 5 times, this will be 1 2 80. Again let us simplify more, this is 3 times, that is 36, so x value will be 27, so answer would be 11 1. So let us go to question number 12. What it is saying is, two trains having equal lengths take 1/3 minute and 1/5 minute respectively to cross a post. If the length of each train is 300 meters, so let us go to question number 12. What it is saying is, two trains are of equal length. Train A takes 1/3 minute, 1/3 of a minute, 1/5 of a minute respectively to cross a post. If the length of each train is 300 meters, in what time will they cross each other when traveling in opposite direction? So what they have given you, let us assume this is train A, train B, timing they have given you 1/3, so 1/3 of 60 will be how much, I am doing it here, but all this thing you have to do in it your mind, that will be 2 times, that will be 20, this will be how much, 1/5 of 60 will be how much, 12. 12 seconds. If the length of each train, the length also they have given you, it is same, that is 300, so let us find the speed ratio, how much it will be. Here it will be 15, here it will be how much, 300 by 12, 6, 2 times this will go, this will be 5 times, that will be 25. Now what they are saying is, what time will they cross each other if they are traveling in opposite direction. So total how much they have to cover, addition of these two, total length will be 600, speed is how much, addition of that two, that is 40 into time. This will be how much, this will be 1 2 5, so time will be 15 seconds, where it is in D, so answer will be 12D. Let us go to question number 13. Two trains of length 400 meter and 600 meter respectively running in the same direction. The faster train can cross the slower train in 180 seconds. The speed of the slower train is this much, then find the speed of the faster train. So since it is in 48 kilometer and value is also in 48, will not convert this, but will convert this. 400 plus 600 is 1000 meter, so in kilometer it will be 1 kilometer. So how much it is, then cross each other, they are moving in which direction, in the same direction, so there will be difference, it will be x, let us assume the value is x minus 48, and time how much it is taking, 180 seconds, so you have to convert this into hour, you have to multiply with, divide with 60, so this will go by 3 times, this will be 20, so here to be 20, x minus 48, 48 plus 20 will be how much, 68, where it is in B. Let us go to question number 14. A train covers a distance between two stations R and S in 45 minutes. If the speed is reduced by 5 km, it will cover the same distance in 48 minutes. What is the distance between two stations in R and S in kilometer? Also find the speed of the train. See, there is a two way of solving this problem. One is how this person is going to solve this problem, okay, not this person. So what it is saying is a train covers a distance between two stations in 45 minutes. So if the speed of one is reduced by this much, so let us assume that the distance between them is R and S, distance is constant, so let us assume it to be x. And again what it is given is speed of one is suppose a into time, how much it is taking, 45 by 60, that would be how much, it is in kilometer per hour, so we'll convert it into hour. So this will be 3, this will be 4, so our x value is 3a by 4. Now let us solve second equation. How much it is, it will cover the same distance in 48 minutes. Again x is equivalent to 48 minutes, and speed how much it is reduced, 5, so a minus 5 into time is how much, 48 by 60, so by 6 how much it will go, 10 times, this will be 8, this will be 4, this will be 5, okay. So x value from both, if you see x is constant, so let us equate them, a minus 5 into 4 by 5. Now if you simplify, it will be how much, 15a here, that would be 15a, this will be 16a minus 80, okay. So a will be 80, so speed of a, this will be a or this option. So let us find the value of distance, that is you have to put here 3 into 80, that is 4, that is 20, that is 60, so value would be a, one number, that is 14. But this is not how we are going to solve this problem. In exam you won't have this much time to solve all this and find the value of, solve the equations and find the value. So we are going to take a different approach. I'll show you. Now I'll show you how this person is going to solve the problem, okay. So if you see the problem, what is constant, the distance between R and S is constant. So if distance is constant, I've taught you in the 39th video or 40 video that if distance is constant, so speed ratio will be how much, inversely proportional to the time. So they have given you the ratio of the time, so A and B, so time ratio, not A and B. So first case, let us assume this is first case, this is the second case. In first case it is taking 45, in second it is taking 48. Now if you simplify with 3, it will be 15, this will be 16 time, okay. Now it will cover the same distance in this much, so speed will be how much, inversely of that, that is 16 is to 15. Speed is reduced by 5, so difference between these two is 1, so 1 is equivalent to 5 km per hour. Find the speed of the train, okay. So what we have to do is, one unit value is 5 because it is reduced, so what is the difference, will be the reduced value, so one unit value is 5. So first case speed will be how much, 16 into 5, that is 80. Now what they've asked you, this is 80, now distance will be how much, speed into time, 80 into 45, that is 60, 3, 4, that is 20, 60. You can see how, what is the difference between both two approaches. So you want to be this, not that, okay. So your answer would be 14. Let us go to question number 15. What it is saying is, two trains A and B start from the station S and T towards each other. So station S and T towards each other, A and B, they are moving towards each other. Again, if they take 8 hours, 10 minutes and 12 hours to reach T and S. So you could mark this problem to be star because it is a different problem. This problem you have to do with the formula. If you apply the formula, you will get the solution immediately, and if you try with normal process, it will take you a very lengthy time. If the speed of A is 30, what is the speed of B, they are asking. So they take this much hours to reach T and S. So total they are taking 8 hours, 20 minutes, 12 to reach respectively after they meet. So they meet at some point. From here A is taking 8 hours, 20 minutes, and this is the meeting point, let us denote with M, and here it is taking how much, 12 hours, okay. So if you know the, for this formula you have to apply this formula, S1 by S2 is equal to T2 by T1. So what is S1 here, they have given you 30, So let us take this as this value you have to find out. Time is how much? Second time is how much? 12. First time is how much? 8 1 by 3. 8 1 by 3 in normal form it will be how much? 25 by 3. So 25 will be here into 3. So this would be 36, that would be 25, that would be 6, that would be 5. So 30 by s, this would be 5 times, that would be s will be how much? 25. So value would be 15c. Let us go to question number 16. What it is saying is the ratio of the speed of bus A and bus B is 3:2. Both start from station S at the time and reach the station T. Okay, what is 40 kilometer from S, which is 40 kilometer from S. Both the bus lost a time of 40 minutes while stopping at the station. Let us explain with diagram. Ratio of A and B they have given you. Let us assume it to be 3x and 2x. Both start from station S. Okay, A is starting from here and B is also starting from here. Both start from station S at the same time and reach station T, which is they are also reaching at the same time. Okay, the time, but the bus lost 40 minutes while stopping. Its bus B stopped somewhere because it is bus A lost 40, it is speed also more, so it is stopped for 40 minutes. So in order to make up this, the difference of their time would be 40 minutes, because total time taken by B will be how much? That is distance by time, distance by speed. So let us assume the distance to be x. Speed of A is how much? 3x. So time mode will be 2x. So let us take this first, then x by 3x. So difference is how much? Distance they have given you 40, here also 40. Total time difference is how much? 40 minutes, that is 40 by 60. Okay, so this 40 and 40 get cancelled. So let us take x common from here. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 is equivalent to 1 by 60. So 1 by x will be how much? 3 minus 2 is 1, that is 6. 1 by 60, that is 10. So x will be how much? 10. So value would be where? So x is 10. What they have asked you, find the speed of bus A. Bus A will be how much? 3x, that is 30. So value would be 16c. Let us get rid of this first. Two stations A and B are 525 km apart. A train leaves from station A from B, and at the same time A and B, distance between them is 525. A train leaves from station A, at the same time another train leaves from station B to A. Okay, they are moving towards each other. Both the trains meet after 5 hours. 5 hours after the train starts from station A is 5 km, 15 km per hour faster than the other. So suppose this is x, so A is x plus 15. Find the ratio between the speed of the two. So since we have taken this, so distance between them is how much? 525, and they are moving towards each other, that will be sum 22x plus 15. Time is how much? 5. 105. Let us solve this. 15 with 2x will be how much? 90. X will be how much? 45. Okay, so find the ratio between the speed of both the trains. So ratio will be how much? A is to B. So they have given you, let us take the bigger one first. 45 plus 15 will be how much? 60. B will be how much? 45 divided by 15 4 times, 3 times, and answer would be 17c. Let us go to question number 18. A train running at the speed of 35 meter per second crosses a bridge in 20 seconds. Another train which is 140 meter longer, shorter than the previous train, crosses the same bridge at the speed of 40 meter per second. Find the time taken to cross the bridge by second train. So how we are going to solve this is, so let the length of the train be x and let the length not x, let us assume A, bridge is suppose B. Okay, now total distance it has to cover is A plus B. So at the speed is how much? 35. Time how much it is taking? 20. This will be how much? 700. Again what it is given, another train which is 140 meter longer than the previous train crosses the same bridge at the same time. So this will be how much? A plus 140, this length they have to cover, and bridge also it has to cover. So B 40 meter per second at the speed of this much. Time let us assume it to be t. Now what you have to do, a plus b we know 700, let us put it here, 700 plus 140, 40 into t. Now t will be how much? 700 plus 40 is 700 plus 140 is 840 divided by 40. It is shorter, sorry, it will be minus, so it will be how much? 560, not 840, this will be 560. So this will be 560, 0 0 get cancelled, 1 4, so time would be 14 seconds, that is 18B. So 19 number question is homework for you. Please try to solve this problem on your own and give the solution in the comment, because if you try to solve this problem on your own, you'll gain the knowledge and you'll have the confidence that you could solve the problem on your own, and you also show that you are serious about the exam and concept is also clear to you and you have watched the entire video. Because if you watch the entire video from problem 11 to 18, then only you'll be able to solve the problem. Let us go to question number 20. This is the last question. What it is saying is, a train overtakes two persons walking along a railway track. The first one walks at 4.5 km per hour. The other one walks at 5.4. The train needs 8.4 and 8.5 seconds respectively to overtake them. What is the speed of train if both persons are walking in the same direction? If you take the one thing in common, what is common in this both cases? That the length of the train is common. So no need to write the length. So length is common. What will we equate? Speed into time. So speed of first is 4.5, and let us assume the train speed of train is x, walking in the same direction, so minus 4.5. Time is how much? 8.4. And in second case it is also 8x minus 5.4, and time how much it is taking? 8.5. So now one more thing, please, like most of the students, don't try to, it is in kilometer per hour, and don't try to convert this into again minutes or hours, because it is a equation problem and it will be common in both of them. If you divide by 60 here, 60 here, it will get cancelled out. So no, there is no point of writing this. So we'll simplify this. How we are going to simplify it? X minus 4.5, we are going to write 84 as 8.4 as 84, and x minus 5.4, we'll write it 8.5 as 85. Let us solve this now. 84x 4.5 into 84 is equivalent to 85x minus 5.4 into 85. So let us take it here. X will be how much? 5.4 into 85 minus 4.5 into 84. So this will be how much? 1 by 10. Let us take common. 54 into 85 minus 45 into 84. Okay, so we are going to solve this. So you have to find the value of x, which is the required value. I have taught you the way of doing multiplication in the day 1 and day 2 video. That is why I have told you, please watch those videos, because we are making use of those concepts. So 85 and 54, how we are going to do is 5 4 is 20, 2 carry, 32 plus 25 is 32 plus 5 is 37, 57, 9, 5 carry, 40, 45, 4590. So this will be 1/10 of 4590 minus 84 into 45 will be how much? 0, 2 carry, 40 plus 16 is 56, 8, 5 carry, 32, 37, 3780. Now we'll get rid of these zeros. Now what you will add? That will get the value of 459. 378 plus 1 will be 379, and the range between that is how much? 370 minus 450 is how much? 80. So value will be 81. So where it is, see, we have not done this calculation separately. All this has to be done in your mind. Once you develop this technique of doing it in your mind, so you'll be able to solve the problem very faster. No need to do this calculation separately. So value would be 81, that is 20B. So we have come to the end of this session. If you found it knowledgeable, please give it a like and comment how you feel about the videos, and please share your opinion, and do share with your friends on the social media websites like Facebook and also on WhatsApp group, so that your friends may know that we are creating videos for them, and do subscribe to the IBPS guide channel. So bye bye, see you in the next session. Okay.